far as the truck goes, the number one exciting thing visually is the bed liner. I did get the white bed liner in the truck, which was an absolute dream come true. That was one thing that I really wanted done, and it was something that came absolutely last. So it was really exciting to do, and just to see the truck come together even more. I took the concept of the roll-in bed liner and used white roof paint, or just like rubberized paint is what it's called, and it turned out really good. I left the spray-in bed liner from the previous owner and just rolled on like a bunch of coats of white roof paint. So if you were wondering what I was using, that's what it was. Before I got the chance to take the truck to go get some film and pictures with the bed liner and stuff, I noticed a sound happening when I was driving one day, and it was extremely loud. I did some research on it, and honestly, I have no idea what it is. It sounds like it's in the glove box on the passenger side, and the noise, it sounds like a vacuum or a pump. So if you guys know, maybe let me know in the comments down below. I also knew that my power steering fluid was low, and I filled the fluid that I needed filled, and then went to close the hood. The two bolts on the passenger side holding the hood down like to the frame rusted and then broke, and closed the hood. Those two bolts just snapped clean off, rusty, and they were stuck in there. Just a couple days ago we got them out, and yesterday we put the hood back on, and I had to line it up again, which was so hard to do in the first place. Like the first time we did it, it was very difficult. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, say hi, share it with a friend, whatever you want to do. It means so much to me. Take care. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.